Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Yes, now this is part 2 of the lesson Our Houses and Clothes, subject Science. Yes, as we all have learnt about different houses. Yes, Kacha house, Pakka house, igloo and all in the previous part. Now this part we are going to learn what are the features of a good house. Okay, what are the features of a good house? Means qualities of a good house. How you can be safe in a house which is very good to live. The first thing is the house should be well ventilated. Okay, well ventilated means it should have windows and balconies so that the air comes in and goes out. The fresh air comes inside and the used air or the contaminated air goes out of the house. Okay, so we need windows and balconies. Yes, and even because of windows and balconies, the sunlight enters the house. If the whole house is covered with walls and if there are no windows, what happens is the sunlight cannot enter the house. And if the sunlight enters the house, what happens? The sunlight, because of its heat, it kills the germs. Okay, germs or bacteria which are inside the house can be killed if you have a very good ventilated house. Okay, which allows the sunlight to enter. Did you understand? The first feature of a good house is a well ventilated house. Then the next part is wire nettings. So wire nettings means this is nothing but it is a net. Nowadays we get plastic nets and also the steel nets. Yeah, this wire nets should be, spread on the windows. Okay, it should be fixed on the windows or on the doors. They should make a separate door with the wire nettings. Why we are using this doors and windows? Because this will stop the insects to enter the house. Okay, mostly the insects will enter the house through the windows and the door. So if there is a net there, okay, what happens? It will not allow the insects to come inside the house, especially the mosquitoes and the flies, because mosquitoes are very dangerous. They can give us many diseases. Okay, like dengue, malaria and all is caused because of the mosquitoes. And flies, they also cause infection because these flies which are outside the house sit on dirty things and then the dirty things will be fixed on their legs. After that they enter in the house and if you are eating or if something is left open, they sit on that food and if you eat that food, you will get infected and you will fall sick. So we should have wire nettings on the doors and windows. Then we should also try to grow plants around our house. Or if the house is, there is no compound, okay, then you can keep the plants in the pots. Why we have to grow more plants? Because plants clean air. Okay, so plants clean the air. So you will get fresh air to breathe. So always we should plant more trees. We should not cut the trees. Then we should keep the house clean. Regular cleaning should be done to avoid, diseases. Okay, you will fall sick if the house is dirty. Okay, now I will show you a few pictures. Yes? Yes, you can see 3 pictures here. Yes, these are the features of a good house. The first picture which you can see is, it has many windows, yes, in the house. And this will allow what? The sunlight to enter the house. The next picture you can see here is the net which is on the window. This will avoid the insects to enter the house. And in the third picture you can see plants around the house. So the plants clean the air and it will give fresh air. Let us learn about the different ways to keep our house clean. So the first thing is about dustbins. Dustbins should be used to throw the waste. Okay, we should not throw the waste in here and there. And also it is very important that we should cover the dustbin. Okay, the dustbin should not be open. The second point is dust the house regularly. You have to do the dusting of the house regularly, because otherwise you will have the allergies. Then use a disinfectant with water to mop the floor to keep it free from germs. So always use disinfectant. Okay, what is the examples of disinfectant? Like Lysol or even Dettol you can add to water and then use for mopping the floors. Then the fourth point is we must clean the toilets regularly, because mostly germs spread from the toilets. So it should be cleaned with good disinfectants. Okay. Then like for example, nowadays we have very good disinfectants like Harpic and all. Yes. Then even Lysol also we have, that is also a disinfectant. Then keep things in the right place to make the house look neat and tidy. Although if the floor is clean and everything is clean, if the things are not placed properly, the house will look dirty. So keep the things properly in proper places. Then the next point is, do not allow dirty water or garbage to collect inside or outside the house, because it contains germs which can make you ill. Okay. Then next is, keep the drains covered to keep away pests and cockroaches. Always the drainage which is there in your house, you have to keep it covered. Okay. Otherwise what happens from outside, the pest means what? Like rats and all will enter your house, and even the cockroaches will go and hide inside them. Okay. So these are the points we have covered today. Features of a good house: ventilated house, wire netting should be used, and growing of plants. Okay. And the house to be clean, we should use the following rules. Okay. Thank you, students.